It's not a camera review, but it's a camera bag review. Hello, how are you doing? Today we are here for this big boy. This is the NEEWER 2-in-1 trolley backpack for cameras, of course. Hello, welcome to a new video. There you go. Today we're going to talk about camera bags. I'm sure you're interested, I know it. And first of all, I'm going to make a video about what's in my camera bag 2023 very soon. So stay tuned right on the channel, subscribe right now. I give you a bit of backstory as always in my videos, why we're going to talk about this item today. I was looking actually for a camera bag myself. I searched online quite a few different brands and I found the NEEWER one, which actually matched all my needs so far, and I just wanted to share with you. So it's not a sponsored video at all. I just purchased the bag and I'm gonna give you my feedback on it. First of all, I was looking for a hybrid camera bag. Hybrid meaning I wanted a trolley with wheels, but also something that could become a backpack, that could be used as a backpack for different reasons. I travel a lot, I commute a lot for work in terms of video making and photography, and sometimes I need wheels also because the gear is heavy. I don't want to carry it on my shoulder the whole time. That's why the wheels are very handy. But sometimes I travel in remote places, so in places where you've got sand, grass, different terrains where you can't really use the wheels, stones on the ground, pebbles and that kind of stuff. That's why I needed a backpack or something that could become a backpack as well. This solution is right here. If you want to check even more about the bag and the price, I leave the link in the description tab where you can actually purchase it, but also I'm gonna leave the price right here on screen. I mentioned the first and the main reason why I chose this bag, because it's 2-in-1, and that's exactly the name of the bag, 2-in-1 trolley backpack. It says it all. We've got the wheels underneath here, and also at the back we got the straps to turn it into a backpack. So whenever you need to, you can just leave the wheels behind and put the backpack on your behind. Does it make sense? Like so. After that, you have a buckle in the front, nice and tight, ready to go. We've got padded straps, a few places here where you can hang things if you want to also use a microphone or one of those camera mounts. You can just place it there as well. You got 2 hooks and that's all for the straps. You got a padded back as well here, which is comfortable against your back, and it's very easy to pack back in. Literally 2 seconds. Another reason why I picked this bag is because it's cabin proof. Basically, you can fit this bag in almost all the airplanes cabins of the biggest brands out there. Measurements wise, it measures 55 centimeters by 35 by 25. Given you the main reasons, now we're gonna go around the backpack and we check some of the features. We're gonna start from the front, why not? We've got another zip which opens up a pocket right there. It can fit a 17 inches laptop. Mine is a 14, so a lot of room in there. I can definitely add a book as well if I wanted to. Keeping it in the front, we go up here. We've got another buckle with a strap. We can use it as we wanted to. We can also add the waterproof cover, which is inside. We're gonna check it out in a second. We're gonna add a couple of hooks here made of rubber. We're going to go to one of the sides, and that's one of the handles. It's very padded, very comfortable. So if you wanna walk with your bag in an horizontal way, you can do so, and it fits perfectly there. And we have another handle at the top of the bag right here. Same use. Still at the top, we have another zipper which reveals, when opened, the aluminum handle to use the bag as a trolley, of course. And actually that's very useful because it's quite a long handle and you don't have to walk as a hobbit, but you can actually walk properly with straight back. Not as many other trolleys. The handle pole measures 48 centimeters. On this side, we have another pocket, a bigger one, because this is for your tripod. At the back, also there's a tiny place for your tag, for name and address in case of loss. Now we want to open the main compartment, full zipper, which goes all around. And as you can see, we've got a nice red. Actually, you can pick this bag in 3 different colors: gray, red, and green. In the main room, we've got 11 different dividers. So you can create 13 different compartments, more or less, inside your bag. And you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So these are all removable dividers with Velcro, of course. You can just empty it if you want and reconstruct your room here. You also have 2 straps with Velcro. This is actually to keep your camera in place. This will go against your lens, keeping it inside the bag in case of, you know, movements. Now we're gonna check the front here. So we're gonna reverse it, and we have other pockets. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 clear pockets. You can put your cables, hard drives, anything you really want to carry with you. And we got 4 SD cards or small objects pockets with the Velcro as well. There's so much stuff that can fit in here, guys. As I mentioned before, we also have a waterproof or rainproof cover for your bag. You can slide it from the top and hook it underneath your bag. Definitely this is going to be my companion from today for all my travels and hopefully most of my jobs, especially here in the UK. But if when I travel back home to Italy, it's something that I'm going to use for sure. So there you go. That's the NEEWER 2-in-1 trolley backpack. Hope the video is going to be helpful. Go and check it out. Definitely, it's a good product. Hit subscribe as always. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Some traveling might be coming soon with more content, even travel related. Why not? I give you some tips maybe for travel photography. So stay tuned right here. Thanks for watching. Ciao.